Alright, so I'm going to go over a common problem with back glasses and quarter glasses where you have a defroster tab or an antenna attachment come loose. It can be kind of a pain, but it's really not that bad to fix. So I'm going to show you today how to solder the connection back on. There are some adhesives that they make. Loctite makes some. There's a few different brands. I don't love those. They can work, but I find soldering works a lot better. So I'm going to be using a flux core solder on this. This glass was scratched in a collision, so it's junk. It got replaced. I just went ahead and popped this loose just to display. You can see that thing's wiggling like crazy. This is off of a GLA 250. So what I do with that solder is I just coil up a little piece like that. It doesn't take a whole awful lot. You just want enough to make a good connection. I'll go and I'll put that underneath the tab there. Then I have a little torch. This is a benzomatic, but there's a bunch of different brands. A little butane torch. Fire this guy up. And what I do is I just apply the heat to it, press down with a wrench or a screwdriver or something to give you some pressure while that solder melts and makes that joint. You want to be careful not to get the glass too hot, because this tempered glass, if you get it too hot, it can break, which is a real bummer. I can already feel it getting softer. You might be able to see it pushing in there. Well, my torch doesn't go out. There we go. Try to focus the heat on the defroster tab itself. You can see it melting there. That should be good. Let it cool off for a second while I'm keeping pressure with this screwdriver until that solder cools. It really doesn't take very long. There we go. There you have it. Good as new. Fixed. If you have any questions, put them in the comments. Thanks.